Place paper towels in the cake pan and you will never want to make it any other way. In a larger bowl, we'll begin by adding 2 eggs, 115 milliliters of oil, 240 milliliters of milk, 240 milliliters of water, 50 milliliters of lemon juice, and we'll mix all of this really well. Next, we're going to add 300 grams of refined sugar, 70 grams of 50% cocoa, a pinch of salt, and we're going to mix again. Then we will add 270 grams of all-purpose flour and we'll stir again. Here add 10 grams of baking soda and 5 grams of baking powder and mix again. Once that's done, guys, now we just set it aside in a pan that we're going to cover with some paper towels. I'm going to use 2 sheets here. Done with that, now we just have to pour all of our cake batter on top. Next, we're going to take it and it's just a matter of putting it in the oven. We'll leave the cake in the oven at 180 degrees for 1 hour. After that time, our cake is ready, guys. And look how easy it is to take the cake out of the pan using paper towels at the bottom. Just flip it over and now pull. Look how great, guys. The pan comes out clean. Do it like this at home. I'm sure everyone will love it. I hope you enjoyed it. This was another recipe from Pour in the Kitchen. Big hug. See you next time and thank you.